it's Rochelle Romans, and today I want to talk with you a little bit about getting a little elevation in your ponytail. We've all seen ponytails where, yeah, like mine typically is or something, I don't know. They're just a ponytail. It's not that they're ugly or anything like that, but maybe they're just a little floppy, draggy. They're not perky. And so let me share with you just a few tips I know to get your ponytail just a little bit elevated, okay? So first of all, I will be using the Flexi Sport. This here is made out of the same material that your earbuds are made out of. So it's washable, sanitizable, but yet it has that little bit of tackiness sort of to it so that it's not slipping. You're gonna get that all day hold. So that's the product I will be using in all of these tips. We're gonna do a few different ones. The second thing here is you can use some amplifying foam. You will find this on my website. I actually used a little bit in my hair, and that's why you're already seeing, because even though I have quite a lot of natural volume at my roots, the weight of my hair pulls it down. So when I use this, I'll show you what I used. I just use one pump. I shake it up and use one pump. That's it. And this also has quinoa protein and bentonite clay in it, so I just do like that, one squirt. I kind of flip my hair over and just apply it right on your roots only, okay? Just right on those roots. It's the only place you need to apply it, all right? So there we go. And I'm telling you, that stuff works wonders. The amplifying foam. But, so you can start there. A lot of people do back combing. I don't do back combing, but I will show you for demonstration purposes only. But this here in itself, we've also on those products, the Ponyo, and I've used them. This is better. I'm telling you, this is better. The thing about the Sport is it gives you options. See how this is arched up, which helps, forces the hair up. If your hair is too thick to use this option on your ponytail, you can definitely use this option so it reverses around. And this will cover a huge range of super, super thin hair. Let me show you that just for a second. Super, super thin hair. See how thin this portion of hair is? Look at this. I'm going to arch that up. I'm just going to clamp that portion of hair. And look. It doesn't budge. It stays right exactly where you put it. That's how secure the Sport is. I'm telling you, it holds super fine hair. But what can we do with our ponytail? So we're going to take our ponytail back. Just gather your hair in a ponytail, how you normally would. Okay. Wherever you want, low, high, however you do it. All right, I'm going to use that arch up. If you can wedge your hair in with that arch going up, that's going to give you some lift. So I'm just going to, then I'll just push the pin, kind of reverse it back just a little, push it up and through that flex part on the top. Okay, now that's giving me some lift, way better than I'm going to get from an elastic or ponytail. Here's the tip. Go ahead in there, just slightly, and start taking little dabs of hair and pulling out. Okay? Just give them a little lift, if you will. Right? But you see how that Sport doesn't move? You released that hair to get some volume, but that Sport didn't move at all. It's still holding super snug, okay? So that's one way to help you. The other tip is, if especially, you know, the finer your hair is, the straighter, the limper, all those sorts of things that factor in. We're going to bring our ponytail back to a ponytail. we're going to bring out a bottom section, okay? It works best if you bring it right here at the bottom. Just take out a section of hair, right like that. Use that section of hair and wrap the base of your ponytail. Now, the more hair you use in the section that you're using to wrap your ponytail base, the more you use, obviously, kind of the more volume you're going to get. Again, use the sport with the arch up if you can. If not, use it with the arch down, depending upon the thickness of your hair. And that's going to let you create height in that ponytail. Okay? So that the ponytail is not so, you know, going straight down from your head. Okay? It's going to give you a little bit more height. And you can use that same tip and pull out just a little bit around, you know, the top of your ponytail. Okay. We also, on my website, we sell, whoops, I went crooked on you all. We sell a riding comb. Again, I don't use these. I don't need these. But if you have really fine hair, this can help you. And you don't need to do your whole head of hair. Just going to back comb with this. You want to take out a bottom section of hair. And just very gently, from under 2 or 3 back combs, okay? Take out another section. Two or 3 back combs are gonna, you know, really make a difference, okay? You might only need to do the top portion and you don't need to start at the bottom, okay? So maybe just the top portion of hair might work for you. Take the top portion, separate my curls here, and just take a few little back combs there if your hair is really fine and limp, okay? So that's just a few quick tips I wanted to share with you about getting your ponytail to not be so flat. So tell me below if any of these things were helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to help you. But I hope that was a few little tips that might help you with perking up your ponytail. All right? You all have a blessed day.